my dear little ones. How are you all? You all are good? Okay. And you all are ready for the class? All of you. That's great. So even I'm ready and even I was excited to meet you all and start the class. Today we are going to start our class with Hindi. So all of you take out your child-centric Hindi Chitra Pustika Perfection Toolkit 2 of 2. Go and bring your books. Go and bring your child-centric Hindi Chitra Pustika Perfection Toolkit 2 of 2. Let's see आज हम कौन सा व्यंजन करने जा रहे हैं. आपको सब व्यंजन की पहचान होनी चाहिए. ओके? लास्ट वी डिड, इससे पहले कौन सा किया था? डलिया. डलिया. कौन सा व्यंजन किया था आपने? ड से डलिया. ड से डलिया. ड से डलिया. आज हम कौन सा व्यंजन करने जा रहे हैं? ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ये है व्यंजन ढ. ओके? ढ ढपली. ढ ढपली. ढ ढक्कन. ढ ढपली. ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? व्यंजन ढ. व्यंजन ढ. व्यंजन ढ. ढपली. ढक्कन. ढपली. ढक्कन. ढपली बजाओ, नाचो गाओ, सुर ताल में गाना गाओ. ढोलक को भी बजने दो, इसका सुर भी सुनने दो. इसका सुर भी सुनने दो. ये क्या है? ढक्कन. ओके? क्या है ये? ढक्कन. ये एक बॉक्स है. ये बॉक्स के ऊपर एक लिड है. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ढक्कन कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? ढक्कन. ये एक बॉटल है. बॉटल के इस कैप को हम क्या कहते हैं? ढक्कन. क्या कहते हैं? ढक्कन. क्या कहते हैं? ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढपली. ढ से ढपली. ढ से ढक्कन. Now let me show you something. Today is our session 82. Okay. कौन सा व्यंजन है? यह है व्यंजन ढ. कौन सा व्यंजन है? बोलिए, कौन सा व्यंजन है? यह है व्यंजन ढ. ढ से ढपली. ढ से ढपली. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढपली. ढ व्यंजन ढ. क्या है व्यंजन ढ? कौन सा व्यंजन है? व्यंजन ढ. ढ से ढक्कन. ढक्कन किसी भी चीज का हो सकता है. आपके टिफिन का हो सकता है, किसी बॉक्स का हो सकता है, बॉटल का हो सकता है. सो उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? ढक्कन. ढपली बजाओ, नाचो गाओ, सुर ताल में गाना गाओ. ढोलक को भी बजने दो, इसका सुर भी सुनने दो. इसका सुर भी सुनने दो. तो ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? कौन सा व्यंजन है बताइए? ये है व्यंजन ढ. व्यंजन ढ. कौन सा व्यंजन है? यह है आपका व्यंजन ढ. व्यंजन ढ. ओके? आपको व्यंजन ढ की पहचान करनी है. इसके चित्र की पहचान करनी है. इससे शुरू होने वाले शब्दों की पहचान करनी है. ढ से ढपली. ढ से ढक्कन. Okay? Now moving on to next. Now we are going to listen to the rhyme. Today we are going to listen to a new rhyme. Are you all ready? We were done up to the rhyme C, this is me. Today we are going to listen to a new rhyme. You are special. Parents, I request you to please circle the day for today. Then put the date, month and year. Then please circle the weather for today. This is a bit lengthy rhyme. Listen to it, and I request the parents, please don't force your child to learn each and every rhyme. Let them listen first, enjoy first, and understand the vocabulary and words used in it. So I am going to play the rhyme now. Okay, so this is the rhyme. You are special. Okay, they have told you each of one is special to God. Okay, whether black or white, whether short or tall, whether good or bad, God loves us all. Okay, God loves us all. So this is the beautiful rhyme that we all are special to God. Okay, moving on to next. Now we are going to start with English. So I request you all to please open your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2. Open your book, open your English book. Let us see which letter we are going to do today. We were done with the recapitulation of letter Q, R, S and T. So I hope these all letters are clear to you. You all recognize these letters. You all recognize the vocabulary related to these letters. Okay. Moving on to next. Today we are going to do letter U. First of all, I request the parents to please circle day for today. Put the date, month, year and circle the weather for today. Okay. So, which letter is this? All of you tell me which letter is this? This is letter U. This is letter U. It is very easy to form. You did it in your pre-strokes as well. This is just like this. Okay. Now first of all we will listen to the phonic sound. U. Umbrellas. 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 Is the sound of U. Is the sound of U. Is the sound of U. Listen it once again. U. Umbrellas. 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 Is the sound of U. 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 Okay. That's why we don't say the letter is U, but when there is umbrella we say it's umbrella. So the sound is the sound is it's umbrella. Now let us see the vocabulary words related to it. What is this? This is umbrella. Umbrella. We all use it in rainy days. Do you all use? Yes, we all use it in rainy days. It's umbrella. 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 Up. This is basically an arrow to show up. Okay, this is up, down, up, down. So, you up. Umpire. Okay, empire. You uncle. On. So, these are the vocabulary words related to letter U. Umbrella, on, empire, uncle, up. It's the sound of U. Is the sound of U. Have the children pretend to be opening up an umbrella and say U E up. Okay, you have to give umbrella to your child. They will open it upwards and they'll say up. Okay, up, 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 up. Now we will talk about this object. Which object it is? This is umbrella. This is umbrella. Okay, and umbrella is colorful. Okay, you all have different kind of umbrella. Some are colorful, some are printed, some are having Spider-Man prints, some are having doll prints. So you all have a variety of umbrella. You can see a variety of umbrellas. Okay, so an umbrella is colorful. An umbrella is colorful. An umbrella has long. An umbrella has long handle. An umbrella has a long handle. Where it is? This is the long handle. Okay, this is the long handle of umbrella. An umbrella can be folded. You can fold it. There is a button. So once you press the button, it's open. Then you press the button, so it's folded. We use an umbrella when it rains or when it's sunny. When do you use the umbrella? You use the umbrella when it's rainy or when it is sunny. Okay, to protect ourselves from rain and to protect ourselves from sun. So when we use this umbrella, we use the umbrella when it's rainy or when it's sunny. Okay, umbrella, umbrella. Count the colors in the umbrella. You have to count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many colors are there? Even one more color is there. This black is also the color, outlining color. So we have 5 colors in this umbrella. We will write 5. Okay, we will write 5. So this is a umbrella. A umbrella. I'm showing you the objects, the things once again. A urn. A uncle. A uncle. A empire. A umpire. A up. A umbrella. A umbrella. So these are the vocabulary words related to letter U, and the phonic sound of letter U is A. You have to recognize this letter. You have to recognize objects related to it. You have to discuss about umbrella, and you have to do this kinesthetic activity. Okay, so we are done for today. You have to do this letter U. You have to listen to the new rhyme. You are special. Then in Hindi you have to recognize व्यंजन ध. Okay, आपको ये सब करना है. This is all for today. We will meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care.